Hello, in front of me I've got Grounded 2. In this video I'll show you how to start single player mode. In the beginning, let's go to single player from main menu. Select new game, and in the next window you will have to select mode of the game. You can select 3 types of survival: mild, medium and WoW. To check the mode settings, press S button. Here you can check difficulty, story, crafting building settings, creatures, health and power, survival, and MISC. Also you can select creative, with or without bugs. The custom mode is yet to be added. Select mode you are interested in, and next select third or first person. This function can be changed further in the game. Next we have to select character, and then simply we have to select start game. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.